everybody, welcome to P.6.
Good morning everybody, my name is Teacher Om. I am the new teacher for P.6/2 and together me and teacher Kevin will be going over this week's chapter.
Yes, so let's start with topic number 3, abilities and
skills.
Okay. Here we want that you describe yourself. So there's two things, something you want to improve and something that you are good at. So something you want to improve at, so for me, an example is I want to improve my Thai. So
and then when you want to write about something you're good at, talk about your strength. So I am good at drawing. And try to make a list of at least 5 or 10 examples. Yeah.
And write it in a notebook, huh? Then we'll learn about abilities and skills to explore ourselves and to learn what we are good at.
So we will learn about abilities and skills to explore ourselves, to plan to choose occupations, together with searching for terms related to abilities and skill areas from learning sources. We will also present them through writing, then freely use logic to explain solutions of problems in daily life.
Okay, so let's go to work mode. So if you could have a superpower, which one would you choose?
Oh, I would love to be able to fly.
Oh, me too. And X-ray vision, do you know what is X-ray?
What is X-ray vision? I don't know.
X-ray vision, so you see the man here, he has some glass, and then you can see through the wall, you can see through all the material. So
goodness.
You can go and see everywhere. And for the telepathy,
telepathy.
So it's like we can read in our mind.
Oh, really?
And then we can speak to each other without speaking.
And what is invisibility?
And then we can just disappear.
3,
1,
2, 1.
Okay. And telekinesis?
Telekinesis. Oh, that is...
what is this?
What is this? That is Stranger Things. You go...
You can move.
You can move. You can move metal.
And mutation?
Mutation. Oh, look, he has 6 hands.
Yes. Imagine we have more hands.
More hands. Wow.
He can have 3 phones and play games. No.
Oh, not in class. Not in class.
No. Okay, so think about what will be your superpower. Can be one of the 6 or also something else. You can think about Avengers or the Justice League hero. Just think about what you would have fun of it. Okay, some vocabulary.
All right, so this is the vocabulary for this chapter. Okay. Would you like to start, teacher?
Okay, so the first word is ability. Ability.
Second is talent. Talent.
And third one, improve. Improve.
The next one is weakness. Weakness.
Okay, the next one is strength. Strength.
The next one is long. It is opportunity. Okay, opportunity.
And the last one, a threat. Threat.
All right.
So write this also in your notebook. And on the end, we're gonna have a little other exercise about the vocabulary.
Okay.
So you can pause the video so you have time to write all the vocabulary in your notebook. So what's the difference between skill and ability? I don't know.
Oh, I thought they were the same.
Huh? Oh.
Are they? Oh.
So I think skill is something that you have to improve.
Okay. So my handwriting, is that a skill?
That's a skill.
Okay, very nice. So I will get better and better if I practice.
Yes.
Okay. And what is ability?
So then the ability is something that you already know how to do. It's something that is in you.
Okay.
Like moving your hands.
Okay, right. Cats and dogs cannot do that.
They cannot do that.
So
if you
cats-
see a cat doing like this, it's not a normal cat.
Okay. So that is an ability.
Yes.
Okay, very good.
So what does this famous quote mean?
All right. Everybody is a genius, but if you judge a fish on its ability to climb a tree, it will live its whole life believing it is stupid. Oh, so what this tells me is that you should always try to do things you're good at and improve things where you're not good at.
Yes.
And you shouldn't feel bad if there's something you cannot do.
Yes.
But you keep improving on it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Imagine you are very good in math, but maybe not that good in language or science. So it's still good. So you can use math for the future and improve the math. And if you want to improve other things, but at least you're good in math, and it's already good. And it doesn't mean that you're stupid if you don't know other topics.
Okay. Interesting. Interesting.
Okay. So here is SWOT. What is SWOT?
Oh, SWOT analysis. So what we basically do here is write down our strength, our weaknesses, opportunities, and threats in basically a 4x4 matrix. Teacher, can you show us how to do it?
Yes, I will show you an example. Okay.
Okay. So now what we do here is we write down our strengths. So what would be your first strength, teacher?
For me, it will be I like sport, so I'm always active.
Okay, very
So
good.
here,
Right.
always active.
All right. All right. One of my weaknesses, teacher, is that my handwriting is very bad.
Oh, okay.
So is that something I can write? Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Now opportunity. So I like language and I like to improve more languages because in my country we have already 4 main languages.
Wow.
So I like language. So for me opportunity is teaching English.
Very nice. Okay. So if you learn more languages, you can help more people.
Yes.
Yes. Oh, very nice.
And the last one.
Threat. What is a threat, teacher?
A threat is something can be like an enemy, something that makes you difficult to have.
Oh. One of my problems is that I am very shy. So
Okay. That's a threat.
That's a threat. Okay, so I will write I am very shy.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is an example.
Okay.
Try to have 3 for each point. At least 3. If you have more, you can put more, but at least 3.
Okay, 3 points. And teacher, they have to bring it to school?
Yes, write it in a notebook, and then you will bring the notebook with you to see. Here, last little exercise: can or can't.
Can't. Okay. Teacher, can't. Does it mean cannot?
Yes, it's a short way to say cannot.
Okay. So
Can't.
I can swim and I can't swim.
Yes.
Okay.
It's very important to say can't.
Okay.
Can't.
All right. Can't. Okay.
Okay, so here to next slide. You have here many pictures.
Okay.
Maybe you can or maybe you can't.
Can't. All right, teacher. So, when we do this, that is a skill or ability?
Or ability.
Ability. Oh yes, it is ability because cats and dogs cannot do it.
Yes.
So only humans can. So ability. But number 2, jumping. That is a skill because you can improve. Handstand. You can improve.
Yes. And even like whistle.
Okay, that is ability.
Ability.
Ability, very good. Okay, so we'll let the students do the exercise.
Pause the video, observe all the pictures and write if it's a skill or ability and write if you can or can't do these pictures.
Okay. And here we think about what skills we want in school. To play sport when you grow up, if you want to be a bus driver, a taxi driver. What skills do you need? Can you give me a hint, teacher?
Yes.
So energy. You need energy for school. You need energy to play a sport.
Yes.
You need to be creative in sport. For a Grab or bus driver, you need to be able to drive the car.
To be
That is-
focused.
Focus. So that is a skill. And to be fireman and policeman, you have to learn skills also. Yeah.
Energy, also like be focused,
Focus, yeah.
be brave,
Brave, very
because
good.
you have to go to the building with fire and you have to go through there, so you have to be brave.
Brave, right. Okay.
So here the same, write at least 3 skills for each branch. So 3 for school, 3 for sport, 3 for driver, and 3 for fire and policeman.
Okay.
Okay, let's go to the thinking tool. So give us 5 positive skills and 5 negative skills.
Okay.
So here we give you an example.
All right.
So positive skill, I can speak English.
Oh, but teacher, I have a minor skill. I am very shy.
Oh, okay. So what will be the interesting, the
I want to be more confident so that I can talk to more people.
Yes.
Okay.
To improve language, it's good to speak to other people. So first of all, you lose your shyness and then you can improve the language.
All right.
So 5 positive, 5 negative, and 3 things that you want to change on yourself.
Okay.
Okay, to summarize now the lesson. So write everything that you learned in the notebook, also the vocabulary. Complete the exercise.
And do the skills and ability worksheet, put the check or cross, or you can write skill or ability, and the PMI plus minus improve on A4 size paper.
Important A4 paper so you can bring it to the school.
Okay.
And don't forget the vocabulary, write it in English like you see on the beginning, and try to find the time meaning.
Okay, so that is all we have for this week's class.
Yes.
And
see you in lesson number 4.
All right.
Okay,
Take care,
enjoy.
class.
Bye bye.
See ya.